Today is optometrist Dr. Hillary Hawthorne. We're going to talk about some much needed pointers because a lot of contact lens wearers out there. And I know from personal experience, I see the infections in the ER and I wear contacts myself. If you improperly store your contact lenses, you're setting yourself up for corneal infections, irritation. You get red eyes, they're very irritated, it's painful, blurry vision. You could have a problem, and you're going to talk to us about ways to prevent that in the first place, right?
Absolutely. With the arrival of spring, now is the best time to talk about taking a fresh approach to your daily routines. Contact lens care is very important. You're going to start, number one, with always washing your hands. You have a clean contact lens that you're going to handle, and it's coming from a clean case. I'd like to go through a couple of steps to demonstrate how you handle a contact lens and properly care for it. You're going to clean it with Bausch & Lomb Renew Fresh. Make sure that you rub the lens. Cleaning and rubbing a lens is the best way to maintain your eye health and comfort. Rinsing off the lens, you want to make sure that you're using enough fresh solution. Never reuse your solution as you handle your contact lens. You want to make sure that you're rinsing it off, and even as you're using a product such as Renew Fresh, make sure that you're going through the at least 12-ounce bottle every month.
All right, and if you don't, do you need to replace it, or?
You want to make sure you're using enough solution, and that's a good way to gauge it.
Okay.
After about 90 days, this clear bottle, you'll be able to tell how much solution is remaining.
And I'm looking here, and I'm seeing some dirty contact lens cases. Is that a problem?
Absolutely. If your contact lens case looks like this, that can be a hazard or a problem for your eyes and lead to eye infections when you begin to use this lens. A lens should always be clean and free of any debris or any materials within it. When you're storing your contact lens, it has two sides. Always use the side that's marked for the lens that you're handling. Place the lens inside the holder and make sure you're filling it with solution. Not all the way topping it off, but just enough to cover the lens so it will disinfect.
And what's the best way for all of us contact lens wearers out there to wash our cases or keep them clean?
My favorite way to recommend to my patients, store the case upside down, open and dry. That way it won't build up or catch any materials.
And that's why you want your lens to be clean, free of bacteria, and even if your case has bacteria in it, it'll get on your lens, then it gets in your eye. So these are all great pointers. Thank you so much.